Hey guys, Tim Urban here, Texas Home Improvement. I'm going to show you really fast how to change out the blade on the Stihl iMow. Now it's a really simple process, and ideally you don't even need any tools to do it. So how it's designed is that there are these two levers that hold sort of the washer, the bolt that's holding down the blade. That's pretty much all that's involved here. You're going to pull these two levers, and that's going to let you unscrew this bolt that's holding it on. Now it's possible if there's some dirt underneath it, or there's some stuff that got underneath the bolt, that you might need something just to get it started. But it's designed that you push these two things down, these two levers down, and you twist it, and it comes off. Now the blade I'm replacing today, it's just bent. And so if I was just going to be taking this off to fix it, which is what I'm going to do anyway, that's all I would need to do. You take it off, you fix it, straighten it out, put it back on, not a big deal. But I got a new blade as well, so I'm going to show you how to put this back on. Really simple. You just put it right back down on the slots that are designed for it. Screw this back on. And because it has the locking mechanism, you don't have to worry about it getting, completely tight to where you wouldn't be able to take it off later, because it's going to lock in place. So it's not going anywhere. It can't come loose and fall off unless something truly catastrophic happens. So it's really easy, really straightforward. That's how you do it. Blade's replaced. It's back out there. It's working. It's one of the things I really like about the iMow, is that if something does go wrong, you need to replace something, you need to fix something. The motors for the wheels, the motor for the blade itself. All of those are separate components that are not difficult to replace. You take it into a dealership, they identify what the problem is, they replace that motor, that part, and it's back out there working for you. So I love this lawnmower. I love this thing. It's awesome. And now it's ready to go back out and keep my yard looking good. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.